In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money on YouTube in South Africa, step by step, starting today. Hi there, my name is Errol Muller, and before we get started, I highly suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and just to show me some interest, because I like people who takes action. Now, show me. Just let me know in the comments below if you are interested. So either comment, show me the money, or show me how, maybe comment, I am interested, whatever it might be. This is just to show me that you are serious about this and you would like to know how to make money on YouTube in South Africa. So quickly leave me a comment below. Now, I'm going to give away this course for absolutely free. So let me quickly explain to you how this is going to work. So there's a couple of steps in this video that you will have to complete in order to get this course for absolutely free, meaning you have to pay no money for it at all. And the only way of doing so is you have to watch this entire video and complete the steps. So what's then going to happen is I'm going to get in contact with you. I'm going to send you the link to the very first video so that you can start watching the course. Now, at the end of every video, there will either be on the left hand side or the right hand side, there will be a clickable video for you, which will take you to the next video in the course. And this course will show you step by step how to make money on YouTube in South Africa. Now, just to show you, I'm currently on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I've got 1,477 subscribers. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip. What you want to do is you want to head over to a site called socialblade.com. That's it, or socialblade.com. I'm going to show you my estimated earnings. I don't want to go into my account. Reason being, I am not sure if we are actually allowed to show our real earnings, our YouTube earnings. So let me rather not mess around with YouTube here. But let me show you. And that's my channel, Errol Muller. So what you want to do is you want to enter the YouTube person's name, like Errol Muller, PewDiePie, whoever it might be, Ronaldo host. He's also a fellow South African YouTuber. So let me show you quickly. As you can see, estimated monthly earnings is about $8 to $125 per month, and per year, 94 to 1.5K per annum. So if you look at $125 per month, that's around about 1,600, 1,700 South African rand. As you can see, these are my video views. For specific days, you can see I had a couple of spikes here. And these are my subscribers per day or per every second day. And you can see that it's still currently live. So every day I'm making currently between 26 cents and $4. So if you want to get an estimate, because it all depends on how many people clicks on your ads or how many people actually watches your entire ad. That is how YouTube pays you, or actually Google AdSense, so to say. What you want to do is, I usually say about 1,000 views pays you about $1. So on average, you can work on 1,000 views, $1, just to be on the safe side. So let's head over to another South African quickly, Ronaldo host. Let's quickly see. He's got about 53,000 subscribers, 7 million views, and 434 uploads. And let's have a look at his earnings. So he earns about $23 to $370 per annum. Per month, and per annum it's about $278 to $4,400. As you can see, daily averages between 77 cents and $12 per day. So there's what you can do. So what you want to do is on YouTube, just to show you that it's not just us. On YouTube, search South African YouTubers, take their name, come over to Social Blade or head over to Social Blade, enter the name, go into their channel, and then you will see everybody, not anybody who you think is making a lot of money on YouTube. Enter the name and you can see what they're making. So let's head over to PewDiePie. I think he's like number 2 or number 3 in the world when it comes to earnings, and he's a wealthy YouTube creator. He earns between $77,000 and $1.2 million per month off of YouTube. And this is not just a once-off and then it's done. This money comes in while he's sleeping, while he's on holiday. It doesn't matter what he does, over and over and over. He makes this amount of money. Why? Because he's entered the money. Because he's created the video and this is what it's paying him. Okay, so it does take some time. I'm not gonna lie with you, it's not an overnight thing. It does take some time, and depending on if you've got videos that's going viral, but it's all up to you. You know, if you are consistent at it and you work at it, you can get there. Okay, so how do you get access to this course showing you how to make money on YouTube in South Africa for free, basically step by step? So what you want to do is step number one is you have to like this video. Okay, you have to like this video. Step number two is you have to share this video, share it on social media, share it on email, friends and family, WhatsApp, wherever it might be. Reason I'm saying you have to share it, and do not try and skip a step, because I'm going to ask you for proof. I'm going to ask you to send me a link of the post that you've shared, or wherever you've shared the video. I would like to see proof of that. So step one is like the video. Step two, comment below this. Step two, share this video. And then step three is comment below this video. And what I want you to comment below this video is how to make money on YouTube. That is me to see that you are interested and you've completed all the steps, because this is the very last step, how to make money on YouTube. I will get in contact with you and I will send you the link to the very first video in the course, so that you can then follow along and actually start your very own successful YouTube channel in order to start making money off of YouTube in South Africa. Okay, so complete all the steps. I'll get in contact with you. Thank you and have an awesome day.